So it's been a while since I've made a good old YouTube video, and I decided it was time to get a new project car. I sold the Corvette. The S10 is the S10, and I haven't felt like buying a billet block for that in a while, so someday we'll get back to that. So for this project, I decided to do something a little unique and only buy something that I could purchase with my YouTube earnings. So I've been in the YouTube business now for about 10 years. It'll actually be 10 years in January, which for most of you watching this, it's probably already 10 years. I've got almost 9,000 subscribers. I'm right at 8.8 right now. And channel views overall, I've got 2.5 million views, which is not that impressive. Most people that are big on YouTube get that in one video or so. But, you know, I'm just a small-time guy here. I've been a YouTube partner for, I don't know, maybe 8 of the 10 years. So let's look into the bank account I've got set up to receive those meaty YouTube ad revenue checks and see what we've got to spend. Oof, so that sucks. I guess we can round it up to an even 200, since I'm sure I've spent at least $40 of my last 8 years YouTube earnings on cheeseburgers and gumballs. So I think my only hope is to go to some estate sale of some widow who is selling the last possessions of some guy that bought a truck back in the 80s and parked it in a field and let it rot and become mice infested. So once I find one, I'll let you know.
3 days later.
Alrighty, we got the big mammer jammer here, and we're pulling out rusty heap of junk. That ought to do it. And a little bit of that Chummins power. Oh yeah, like butter. Well, she ain't the most conventional method here, but it's getting the job done. Almost there. Wouldn't be so bad if it weren't for this dude, making it a little more strenuous. She's mint as can be. Alrighty, we got her on there. There's a pain in the tuchus, but let's see if it flies off on the highway. Alrighty, we're doing okay so far. She hasn't fallen off the back quite yet, but we're getting close. I'll update you if we lose our load here. Really need to fix the steering on this puppy. Just put a new BD 363. Listen to her spool. We made it home with a heap of junk. Let's go see how mad the wife is. Alright, so in my immense genius, I've decided to hook up the old Club Nasty to the back of the truck. So we'll see if this works. I've also elected to deploy emergency speed deterrent bump here, but I think we'll be okay with the old flatty. I don't think she's gonna be running me over, but we'll find out. Come on, old club car. I know you got it in you. Oh, she's rolling. Oh, hit her with the bump. Oh. We're spinning the tires and everything. It's giving her quite the time. All right, we've rolled forward about a foot. Let's see if that does it. That did not do it. I apologize for my neighbor's loud mowing. Been giving the old trailer jack a couple cranks, get her tilted backwards, and see if that does the trick. Also, let's give her another shot. Oh boy, I think we need a plan B here. Okay, continuing our course of how not to do this. Plan A did not work, so here's plan B. We got to come along up to the truck to a strap to the back. Hopefully once it rolls, that'll just kick off the back here. If not, there'll be a big yerk, and we'll have to jump out of the way. Okay, let's see if that works. Well, folks, I'm an idiot, and I turned recording off instead of recording on, but it worked. She got down the trailer. Nobody lost a limb or a digit, so we're all good. Now it may be time to go back to the golf cart. Yep. Yep. Oh, oh. Oh. Okay, well, it doesn't like that. We got her down. I threw a spare with some air in it, so that should help us get this last little bit of the way. Oh. Ooh. Oh my God. That was not supposed to happen. Okay, plan D. I put 2x4s in. Hopefully that helps it get up over these ramps. Yes, I know these ramps suck, but I borrowed them because I did not have mine at the time. So we gotta deal with what we got. Okay, try 15. Oh boy! Oh! Okay. Couldn't move because my strap got stuck under the tire. And to anybody that thinks this is a bad idea, I know it's a bad idea. But you gotta live a little sometimes. Also, it's a golf cart, so I don't think this strap is gonna explode on me. Alright, been moving around with the cart. We got the old homemade 2x4 push bar here. Works like a charm. And she's almost in, so I'll see you after I get her parked. So we got her in here, parked and everything. Just starting to clean her out, get some of the junk out of here from the previous owner. This thing's kind of neat. Never seen one of those before. I kind of like it. And finding some interesting stuff so far. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it's gonna be a long process to get this thing back together. Got a exploded windshield and a state of general crudness that's gonna need to be corrected here. And I plan to buy about 99% of the stuff for this off of Facebook Marketplace, so that'll make it interesting. Not trying to blow the bank on this one. Just want to see how nice I can make it with a decent budget and a little elbow grease. So that'll wrap it up for this one. This is the $200 project truck, and we'll see where we take it.